Captain Kirk. He's gonna get up now.
Well, I'm telling you, how many times I tell you?
Yeah.
Before it's hot as hell in here. How many times you gotta do it? It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I can't take it no more. They gotta run around. It's like, oh my God! It's hot!
This is Captain Kirk, people. He's got big. He's got his pants pulling down.
Oh
my God.
Oh my God! Thank God! It's cooling down. Cooling down right there. I had tacos last night.
Well, Captain likes hot when it's that fucking temperature, right?
Yeah, it's hot as hell. Man, I ain't never come here with my bathing suit on.